Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve some common Xbox sign-in errors when you're signing into the Xbox app on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Start menu, type msconfig. Best match should come back with system configuration. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to go left click on the Services tab. First service you want to look for should say Xbox in the name of it, so scroll down here. If you notice that any of these Xbox services are unchecked, you want to check mark all of them, so turn them all on. Go ahead and select Apply and OK. You will need to restart your computer, so just close out of any open programs and applications, and let's go ahead and restart our device here. Okay, so once we've restarted our computer, you want to open up the Start menu, type in Services. Best match should come back with Services here. You want to go open that up. You want to locate the Xbox services, so I'm just going to scroll down here. So all of these you want to make sure are set to manual, so double click on the first one. If service status is stopped, you want to start it, but the startup type should be set to manual here, and we're going to just start all of these services here. Okay, and then do that for the other ones as well. going to do the last one here, so you want to start that. Select OK. And then once that's done, you can close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.